Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Coinbase wallet transfers to Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase account on your preferred device. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the portfolio section. Locate the wallet from which you want to back up transfer information. Click on the wallet to see its transaction history. Select the Transactions tab to view all recent transfers. Scroll down to find the transfers you wish to back up. Click on each transaction to view more details. Take note of the transaction date, amount, and any relevant notes. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Start a new spreadsheet. Label the first row with appropriate headers, date, amount, notes. Return to your Coinbase transactions. Copy the date of the first transfer. Paste the date into the first column of your Google Sheet. Repeat this for each transaction, filling in the date, amount, and notes in corresponding columns. For amounts, go back to Coinbase and copy the amount for each transfer. Paste it into the second column of your Google Sheet. If there are any notes or descriptions, copy and paste them into the third column. Ensure that all entries are accurately recorded. Double-check your Google Sheet for any discrepancies. Save your Google Sheets document. Consider sharing it with trusted individuals or collaborators if necessary. Now, your Coinbase wallet transfers are securely backed up in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.